Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reel in Instagram. So it's going viral. So in this video, I will show you how to edit this type of reel in very simple way. Like anyone can edit and post it in Instagram. So the first thing you need is a ChatGPT app. Open your ChatGPT app and post any of your pictures and paste this prompt. So I will tell you how to get this prompt at the end of this video. So you will see the poster is generated. So here the 50% work is done. Now we have to convert this poster into a reel. So for this we will need a edit app. This is an application from Instagram. So in that app I will show you the steps how to edit it. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your edit application and click on plus icon and select the gallery and select the poster that we have generated in ChatGPT. So now we will need the audio. For audio, just visit to my this profile and open this post, the first one, and select the audio and click on save icon. So now go back to your edit app and click on audio saved. Here you will find that audio that we have saved it. So now we will drag the audio till the last. We will keep the full audio. The same thing we will do with the image. We will drag this image till the audio is there. So now adjust the image as per your requirement. Keep the full screen. So once that is done, we have to select the text. For example, this text I am selecting here. I will provide all of these things in my Instagram DM. So as per the audio, I am not playing the audio due to a copyright issues. So whatever the conversation is happening between the human and a Mahadev, you keep writing that steps, and yours you will keep it in your side, and the Mahadev things that he is saying, keep it beside his head or below that as per the image it is generated for you. So after writing all steps, so don't worry for the prompt and the steps, I will provide you that. So once this editing is done, you just have to put the text here as per the timing when the conversation is happening. So once it is done, click on export, select 4K and 60 and click on export. So in this way your this video will be saved. So here you can see the video is edited. You can click on download or click on Instagram icon to post it in Instagram. Here you can select the caption or a hashtag, whatever you want. You can select the cover picture and you can click on share. So to get the prompt and the text steps, just go to my this profile and just ping me, send a Mahadev prompt and the steps. I will directly paste it to you and you can use it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.